Alright, thanks for tuning in to another great episode of Driven by Gears. This will be part 4, where we're going to do some degreasing and some cleaning. Basically,
we're gonna do some I wanted y'all to see this. This is the textured paint. See how when you put water to it, stuff just beads right off like you waxed it.
We can put some water.
Good old Speedo coat for you. T-Rex protective coatings. Oh God, we just dented it now. So basically that's all we're gonna clean for today, and I am gonna tape off some stuff in here that I don't want to paint, and only other thing I'll have to clean will be my hood, which I'll just clean it probably this weekend when it's a little bit nicer, or in a couple of days. So we'll tape this stuff off here, and then probably the next video you'll see some priming, and then maybe we'll get into some painting if it ain't too humid. I also put all the hardware back in, so when I go to paint it, this hardware won't be so, unmatched when you put the hardware on or forget, and it'd be all rusty hardware. So I've did that in the past plenty of times, and then you get paint in the holes and you can't get the damn screws in there. So it's always good to put your hardware back in if you're going to spray something, so you don't fill the holes up. And cover those connectors. You don't want all the pins getting paint on them, because then they don't get a good connection anymore, and then you're wondering why your wipers are working half the time. So there ain't much to this video, just taping a few things up, done some cleaning. So I'm not gonna torture you through a whole lot of this, but I'm gonna try to upload a video each day of the week on the progress, or maybe every other day of the week until the weekend gets here, and then we'll do a whole lot of work. So anyway, hopefully y'all having a good week. Give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, and until next time, keep it simple, keep it sweet.